Uday can cover x distance with y speed in z time. He can cover same distance with y plus 10 speed in z minus 2 time. He can cover same distance x with y minus 15 speed in z plus 6 time. What can be found from the given data? Okay, so first let's write. We know that distance is equals to speed into time, right? And the question is telling me that Uday can cover x distance with y speed in z time. So he can cover x distance with y speed in z time. Let's call this equation 1. Okay, he can cover same distance with y minus 10 speed in z minus 2 times. So he can cover the same distance x in y plus 10 speed in z minus 2 time. Let's call this equation 2. He can cover same distance x in y minus 15 speed and 10 z plus 6 times. So he can cover x distance in y minus 15 speed into z plus 6 time. Let's call this equation 3. Okay, now we have three unknowns which are x, y and z, and we have three equations. So that means whenever after solving all of this, we can find the value of x, y and z, because we have three unknown variables, we have three equations, so we can get the value of x, y and z. Now this much is clear. Now let's see all the 4 points here, what can be found from the given data. Okay, so let's first talk about the first point here. Time to cover 200 km with speed y plus 10. So distance is given to us, which is 200. Speed is given to us, which is y plus 10, and we have to calculate time. So distance is given to us, s can be calculated because we know y. So speed can also be calculated, and time can be calculated with the formula which is time, which is equals to distance upon time. So we get the value of t. So here point 1 can be calculated. Let's see point number 2. Distance cover in z plus 6 times. So we are given time, which is z plus 6, with speed y plus 10. Speed is given to us, which is y plus 10. We have to calculate distance here. Okay, so we can calculate t because we know the value of z here. Z plus 6 can be calculated for t. We know speed here because we know the value of y from this. So we can calculate t, we can calculate s. So we know the formula for distance, which is equals to speed into time. So from this we can calculate d. So here from this we can see that point 2 can also be calculated. Now let's see for point 3. Speed by which a tunnel can be crossed in z minus 2 hours. So in here time is given to us, which is z by 2 hours. Okay, speed by which, okay, so we have to calculate the speed here, but what is missing here? We don't know the length of this tunnel. We don't know how much distance it will have to cover. Okay, so we don't know distance here, although we can calculate the value of t here because we know z. So t can be calculated, but we don't know d. So that means we cannot calculate the speed because speed formula is distance upon time. We don't know d here. So that means point 3 cannot be calculated. Now last point, point 4. Ratio between time to cover the distance x with speed y. We know that time is equals to distance upon speed, right? So here ratio of times is asked to us. So distance is x divided by speed, which is y, is to time to cover distance x minus 5. So distance again is x minus 5 divided by speed, which is y plus 10. And we know the value of x and y here. From these three equations we can get the value of x and y. So that means after solving this we will get the required ratio. So that means 0.4 can also be calculated. So our answer will be option D, 1, 2 and 4. So here option D is the correct one.